Success on Amazon is all about finding the right products. When you identify items customers want that aren't too competitive to make a profit from, it feels like hitting the jackpot.
To this day.
Make it rain.
What's good, World Squad? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I want to discuss what products can't be sold on Amazon. If you hadn't already, make sure you like, hit that subscribe button, show your boy some love. That way you won't miss the 5 valuable videos I'll be dropping each and every week. Hey, let's get straight into it. Yes, sir.
Hit it!
And if this is your first time watching this channel, my name is Travis Cooper. I'm the creator of Amazon Made Easy, the program that gives you the blueprint to building a multi-six-figure Amazon business. And here on this channel, we talk all things about Amazon and entrepreneurship. And today I want to get into what products can't be sold or are restricted on Amazon. Success on Amazon is all about finding the right products. When you identify items customers want that aren't too competitive to make a profit from, it feels like hitting the jackpot.
Make it rain.
Right? But sometimes products with the low competition are that way for a specific reason. If the lucrative product you're ready to start selling falls into one of Amazon's restricted product categories, listing it without the proper first steps could come at a high cost to you. Here's what you need to know about Amazon restricted products and how you can go about selling some of them. What is an Amazon restricted product? An Amazon restricted product is any product that Amazon either doesn't allow sellers to list at all or require sellers to apply approval to sell. This includes products that face legal restriction in some geographic areas like alcohol and gambling items. It also applies to those that have certain safety requirements, such as automotive parts and food products. Amazon wants to make sure it stays on the safe side of all laws and regulations. For sellers, that means you have to be careful that nothing you list can get them or you in trouble. If you do list a restricted product without the right permissions, intentionally or not, it could impact your ability to continue selling on Amazon's platform. The list of product categories that include Amazon restricted products is long at first glance, but when you look more closely, it makes sense. You can find this list with links to more details on each category on Amazon's restricted products page. I'll make sure to link it down in the description of this video. For other categories, the nuances of what you can and can't sell are more complicated. For cosmetics and skincare, there's a list of prohibited ingredients and rules about packaging and labeling you have to follow. Also, Amazon has the more murky category of other restricted products that includes a mix of product types ranging from real estate to Confederate flag memorabilia. How can you avoid accidentally selling restricted products? You obviously don't want to break any rules, but that list of categories with restricted products is long and the explanation for each one can get complicated. You don't want to do anything to inadvertently start selling products that can get you into trouble with Amazon or the law. To avoid making an honest mistake, I'm going to give you guys 5 steps you can take to avoid this at all costs. Number 1, get to know the laws and regulations in your product areas. You don't want to have to memorize the legal details for every single product category listed, but you definitely need to be familiar with those that include products you sell. Any Amazon seller listing products in a category with regulatory requirements like food, cosmetics, or dietary supplements needs to get really familiar with the rules relevant to each product listed. Staying on the right side of the law is the first step towards staying on the right side of Amazon's rules. Number 2, employ legal counsel. Laws don't always stay consistent, so knowing what's allowed today could still get you in trouble in a year if you don't stay on top of things. That's where hiring the actual legal counsel comes into play. Smart business owners should have a go-to lawyer to help them stay abreast of laws and regulations and ensure they learn quickly whenever something changes. Number 3, make sure you get approval for products that require it. Not listing illegal products is important, but that's just one type of restricted product on Amazon. For a lot of these product categories, you're allowed to list restricted products as long as you get permission from Amazon first. In those cases, just make sure you take the required steps to apply for the approval before you start selling on Amazon. Number 4, stay aware of product recalls. This is another one of those ways you can slip into trouble territory without realizing it.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
If a product you sell gets recalled, it's on you to know about the recall and remove the listing for unsafe versions of this product.
I don't even get that. What?
Number 5, remove any restricted listings. Accidents happen, but the moment you realize you made a mistake and listed a restricted product that you don't have permission to sell on Amazon, just remove the listing from the site right away. Marking the product as out of stock while you wait and try to figure or handle things is just not good enough. It needs to be removed completely. Now let's slide into how to apply to sell restricted products on Amazon. For restricted products you can legally sell that require prior approval from Amazon. The process is fairly straightforward if the product is one already in Amazon's database. First, you want to log on to your Seller Central account, select catalog on the home page, then click add products. Do a search for the item you want to sell, then select show limitations link next to the item. Click the apply to sell button, then follow the steps as prompted. If you're wanting to sell a new item that Amazon doesn't have listed, you can find the links on where to start this process of applying for approval based on the category your product falls into on Amazon's categories and products that require approval page. Man, above all, stay compliant. The possibility of short-term profit isn't worth the risk of your seller's account. Make sure you understand any restrictions related to the products you carry. Only list those that are allowed according to Amazon's rule and get the proper permission for any restricted items. I know I went a little deep into the specifics on this video, but education always before compensation.
And you know this, man.
So if you're looking to start this Amazon business, we need to know the policies and the rules inside and out. Hopefully you guys receive value from this video. As promised, what products are not allowed or restricted to sell on Amazon. Try Coop signing out. Love, be blessed.